Hello, Sendr friend. So I saw that on the community that there are a lot of people that who are asking to get a GoHighLevel integration with Sendr. So that's why I just wanted to make a quick video about that without the integration, how you can now use the Sendr personalized page and GIF embedded on like your GoHighLevel account. So first of all, I just scraped this account like Matt comment sections for a quick like a checkup. So I just got these, and then I just wanted to create three. I just wanted to know not to waste so many credits, so that's why I just created three personalized page and image based on my um, demo template like this one. So I just made this as a demo purposes. So I just made created three pages and three GIF embedded. So now, what I need to do to link this and upload this as a Go High Level Ready contact system. So first of all, we have to go to the settings page and then custom field. Yes, so custom field. Now you can create a different folder, but I wanted to create a folder like called personalization. So yeah, contact, save, and now create fields, single line, next, like personalized page. Yeah, so personalizations. Now great one. Now the second one should be give embedded. Also the group should be personalizations, and then great. So now we are good. You can see these are like on the folders on the personalizations. These are the two custom fields that we created on our GoHighLevel sub account. So now we just have to download this CSV file that we created for for the personalization page. So now what you have to do is like go on the contacts, go import contacts, next. Now go, yes, just download, upload this one. Now it will go through the mapping. So its first name last name is already mapped. So like now we will add some mappings, like this one is already mapped, like personalized paged and gave. So these are already done, so just I don't need to input unwanted unmapped columns. Go to now, just I have to select, and now we are good to go. Just and to just do a refresh, and then you can see, definitely see the contact that I have uploaded with a custom field systems like this one, like. And so now you can see on this particular personalizations folder, we can see our page. Also, if I wanted to show you that particular page, now you can see, yeah, so this one is working perfectly. So also this one, I think it will also used on when you send any particular email. So you just have to create that you have to just you can use this. So let me go through again, and custom field folders, and just, yeah, use this custom key, and you just, you can on your email, then it will be added automatically like when you use this keys. So I think it's super easy, nothing so much complex or fancy. So if you have any questions about these integrations, please let me know on the comment section. Thank you.